Hey guys, it's Sarah with ExtremeTerrain.com, and this video is to demonstrate fitment for 18-inch wheels and 35-inch tires on stock 2- and 4-door non-lifted Sport, Sahara, and Rubicon JLs. In this video, I'll go over who this setup is ideal for, review the clearance with these wheels and tires, and what to expect when driving this setup on and off-road. 35-inch tires with 18-inch wheels are very popular with JL owners that have stock non-lifted JLs, as you can see from these pictures provided by JL owners. So behind me is a stock non-lifted 2019 Sahara with 18-inch wheels wrapped in 35-inch tires. The wheel and tire combo will fit all non-lifted stock 2- and 4-door Sahara and Rubicon JLs without needing to do any modifications. This wheel and tire combo is ideal for those of you that aren't lifting your JL but want a more aggressive look with bigger tires. Customers running this setup are staying mainly on-road with occasional light off-roading, and keep in mind this is the biggest tire you can run on a stock JL. Obviously, 35-inch tires are much larger than stock, so clearance in the wheel well area is going to be tighter compared to a stock wheel and tire setup. Running 35s on your stock non-lifted JL is absolutely fine for on-road daily driving and light off-roading like fire trails and minor rock crawling. This setup is free from rubbing any suspension components and the stock bumper, as you can see when we turn the wheel back and forth on our Sahara. Stock Rubicons have slightly higher suspension with taller fenders, so you can expect a bit more clearance. JL Sport owners who want to run 35-inch tires with 18-inch wheels on a stock non-lifted setup will have to remove their splash guard, as these larger tires will rub up against it. Once the splash guard is removed, you'll have no rubbing issues during regular driving situations. Removing the splash guard is very easy and can be done with standard hand tools. In off-road situations, you can expect some rubbing of the tires, especially if you are doing any kind of articulation. If you do want to get involved in more serious off-roading, we suggest having a lift or leveling kit installed, and you can find those right here on the site. So a few things to keep in mind when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 35 is that when driving on road, the ride will feel a little bit more sluggish with a 35 when compared to stock tires. Your speedometer will also read about 5 to 7 miles per hour slower than your actual speed because of the change to bigger tires. This is not a big deal, and most Jeep owners just keep that in mind when driving, but this can be easily corrected with a speed calibrator or a tune to your Jeep, which can also be found right here on the site. Again, this setup of 35-inch tires with 18-inch wheels is very popular with our customers and will give your JL a much more aggressive look over the stock setup. Also, if you do purchase a set from ExtremeTerrain, we make it easy for you to get these on your JL. You can have them mounted and balanced before being shipped, and then you just need a jack, lug wrench, and some elbow grease, and you'll have these on in no time. And if you have any questions about the setup for your Jeep, you can call our customer service number and speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product review and install videos right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.